Dear aspirants, I am delighted to announce the launch of Public Administration optional course for UPSC Civil Services exam on Edukemy. This foundation course for PubAd optional will help you cover the basics as well as the advanced concepts of public administration along with the theories in a very lucid and easy to understand manner. I will be covering all the thinkers related to public administration, be it Woodrow Wilson, be it Henry Fayol, Taylor and F.W. Riggs. We will be understanding the theories like prismatic Sala theory given by F.W. Riggs. In the paper 1, we will be studying the theoretical aspects of concepts like accountability and control. Why CBI is not functioning is something that will be covered in paper 2. So all the papers, both the papers, paper 1 and paper 2 will be covered in a very easy to understand and lucid language. Interlinking all the thinkers is going to be one special aspect of this course. We will be interlinking the thinkers like Henry Fayol and Woodrow Wilson. We will be seeing the interlinkages between the theories of Taylor and F.W. Riggs. So this will help you answer the questions in the examination the way they are being asked these days. The contemporary standard of UPSC's asking of questions will be reflected in our classes. We will be having answer writing sessions in between few classes. After completion of every topic, we will be having this interactive session wherein I will be giving you the questions and you will be writing the answers, and answers would also be corrected. You would be taught the correct way of writing the answer, introduction, etc. when it comes to public administration. Dear students, public administration has got its own advantage when it comes to overlapping between paper 2, GS Mains paper 2 and public administration paper 2. Indian polity becomes an important part of public administration optional. So you wouldn't be having any trouble if you choose public administration as your optional. The way we would analyze each and every article, like why the President of India is not given the duty, is not allowed to perform the duty of controlling its ministers, especially when the President's oath itself says that it is the duty of the President to uphold the Constitution, to prevent the violation of Constitution. So if the Constitution is being violated by the ministers who work in the name of the President, can't the President replace them? Can't the President dismiss a minister who is corrupt, because he is in a way violating corruption? Likewise, we will be studying the role of governor. Likewise, we would be seeing why Lokpal, the institution of Lokpal, is not able to perform. Likewise, we will see why RTI is not performing that well in India. What has happened to the Election Commission of India? What ails the functioning of ECI like bodies? So these thinkers, the public administration paper 1 thinkers, will be interlinked with public administration paper 2, that is Indian administration and its practical scenario, which will help you be in a position to answer almost any question in the public administration. Pre-career charters and other contemporary terms being used by UPSC in the recent recent years exams would be covered in this course in a very interesting manner. Classes are going to be live and interactive. I would leave no stone unturned to answer all your queries, all your doubts through the medium of these live classes at Edukemy. Our Edukemy's Correcto app helps you submit your answers very, very easily, which will help me evaluate your answers and send it back to them through the app itself. Do join this course, avail this offer which is going on, and this course will definitely help you get maximum marks out of the 500 marks that are allocated to the optional subject in the UPSC scheme of things. Thank you. I wish to see all of you in my classes, guys. Have a good time. Thank you.